this is Nicholas Vardy of the Oxford Club, and welcome to this week's edition of Buy or Buy. In this series of videos, I take a stock that's been making the media rounds, and I strip away all the hype and let you know whether you should buy now, buy later, or buy never. Today, I want to take a look at one of the leading meme stocks of 2021, AMC Entertainment Holdings, Inc., ticker symbol AMC, a stock that has made and lost millions for its dedicated group of Reddit followers. First, a quick introduction. AMC is the largest movie theater company in the United States and the largest in Europe, with approximately 950 theaters in these two markets and 10,500 screens across the globe. As one of the original meme stocks, AMC remains one of the go-to battlefield stocks for retail investors who call themselves apes and are looking to stick it to Wall Street's big leading hedge funds. Entire YouTube channels are still dedicated to following the stock price of AMC and other meme stocks like GameStop. But now there are signs that meme stocks are crashing back to earth. Just over the past month, AMC shares are down by over 30%. That's far worse than the 2.3% recorded by the S&P 500 over that same time period. So, is this pullback an opportunity to get into AMC stock at a cheaper price? Or is it time to dump whatever AMC stock you may currently be holding? Are you a self-proclaimed ape, a true believer in AMC stock? Or are you a skeptic who thinks that the meme stock craze is nearing its end? Let me know in the comments below. At this point, I usually start by examining a company's fundamentals, but I'm making an exception for AMC. That's because AMC's stock story was never about fundamentals. AMC is essentially an insolvent company in a structurally declining business carrying massive loads of debt that was simply seized on by the Reddit crowd and pushed to absurd levels of valuations. So let's review AMC's wild ride in 2021. AMC started the year trading at $2 per share, but the combination of heavy call option buying and massive retail investment momentum took shares of AMC stock as high as $72.62 this year. This parabolic upside move saw AMC stock become an almost 35 bagger within the span of just a few months. This caught many investors by surprise. Perhaps more surprisingly, AMC stock has stayed significantly elevated throughout this year. So, where do I come out on AMC's future prospects? I believe a crash in AMC stock price is just a matter of time. And as its recent price action suggests, it may have already started. First, AMC Entertainment shareholders have been substantially diluted this year, with total shares outstanding growing by 274.1%. as the company issued massive number of shares to keep the company afloat. This means that any earnings per share that may accrue to future shareholders, even if the company survives, which is a big if, is seriously impaired. Second, AMC's sales growth was anemic even before the pandemic. And after the pandemic, fewer people will be returning to movie theaters than ever before. Now that's a problem for AMC. That's because AMC's business model is not about movies, but about popcorn. All movie theater chains essentially break even on their movie offerings, but they make most of their money on high margin items like popcorn and snacks. And you can't sell moviegoers popcorn if they don't show up to the theater. Third, and this is probably the biggest concern for AMC, the company has a horrible balance sheet. In fact, AMC now has negative shareholder equity, meaning that it has more liabilities than assets. Now, AMC has raised enough money to service its debt through 2022, but it does not have enough money on hand to service its debt in 2023 as the business continues to bleed money. Bondholders know this, even as shareholders blissfully ignore the reality. That's why the company's bonds trade at a massive discount to current market rates. Bond prices suggest that bondholders are expecting a prepackaged bankruptcy of AMC sometime within the next 18 months. What is Wall Street's take on all this? The average AMC Entertainment price target of $8.17 is just about 80% below its recent stock price. I actually think AMC is worth even less than that. Meanwhile, AMC's management is scrambling to keep the AMC meme stock phenomenon alive, even as it has taken to pandering to the apes on the Reddit boards. Recently, AMC announced that the company is issuing NFTs to its, quote, self-identified shareholders who register with AMC's Investor Connect program. What a joke. No, let's call a spade a spade. What a scam. The absurdity of a company issuing shareholders a piece of digital code claiming that it has any value boggles my mind. Meanwhile, the company's CEO has been actively liquidating his own position in AMC. He recently sold 625,000 shares at $40 a share to net a cool $25 million. My verdict, AMC is not a stock. It's a token that retail investors use purely as a speculative instrument. AMC might as well be a tulip bulb or a cryptocurrency. I predict that AMC, along with GameStop, will go down as the pets.com of its era. It will be viewed as evidence of mass delusion, essentially a joke. AMC is a buy as an investment, but it's a buy if you like to gamble and trade tokens. Just please don't take AMC seriously as a stock, and manage your positions as you would play what is essentially a massive multiplayer video game across the globe. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Buy or Buy. If so, please hit the like button below. I want to remind you that this is not a recommendation actively tracked in any model portfolio. If you want to follow any of my buys or sells, size your position accordingly, set a trailing stop, and never bet more than you can afford to lose. And if you would like more financial insights on stocks, trends, or money in general, be sure to sign up for Liberty Through Wealth, a free e-letter that I contribute to at the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Buy or Buy.